Hello, welcome to the Science Broadcast. I've been long been concerned about the confusion between belief and factual information. Recently, many articles appear talking about supporters of globalization as if globalization is something that we have control over. Such a belief is extremely dangerous and can be very harmful to our country's economy. The economy is global. I would dare say you will not find an economist disagree with that statement. Or should I say a good economist? The United States only has two options. One, be part of the global economy, or two, be isolated. At this stage, isolationism will not work. Even a country the size of the United States cannot survive on its own. We need our global friends, and more importantly, we need our global economic partners. With all the talk recently about alternative facts and fake news, we have started believing that we have control over something that in reality we do not, the global economy. Even a country the size of China depends on the global economy. Unlike the debate over global warming, another debate that only happens in the United States, any attempts to isolate from the global economy will have immediate and catastrophic results for the US economy. Not everything is debatable, and contrary to popular belief by some, facts are facts and fiction is fiction. We cannot successfully operate in a fictional world. We must accept the reality of the global economy and become a part of the global scene in order to have a sustainable and healthy economy in our country. The United States has suffered for a long time by being the least educated Western country in the world. Unfortunately, uneducated people make uneducated decisions, and simply we cannot compete with educated people. I've often been criticized because of my unwavering support towards education as a solution to the real problems we are facing as a nation. There are many that still believe that education is optional and to a large degree not necessary. Of course, not surprisingly, these are uneducated people. The decisions we're going to make during this decade will chart the future of our country. We have seen many third world nations joining the global economy and become very successful. We do not want to become the first Western nation to degrade to a developing country. If history is to teach us anything, isolationism does not work and blind nationalism does not work. We are the greatest nation on the planet because many before us made the right decisions during the critical points, for example, the industrial and technical revolutions, which in turn made our country a global leader. Good decisions have rewards. Poor decisions have consequences. Let us all make good decisions as citizens, corporate executives, political figures, or famous figures. At this juncture, we cannot afford mistakes and we cannot afford political correctness. We must have a winning attitude and we must bring our A game if we wish to maintain a healthy economy and a leadership position in the world global economic and political stages. Thank you for watching the Science Broadcast, and I hope that this episode helped you put into perspective what's happening in our country today. I will see you soon with another broadcast.